Let's talk about something that's on pretty much every parent's mind right now: artificial intelligence. It's this mix of, amazing possibilities and some very real worries. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how we're planning to navigate this new world together.
Okay, let's just rip the Band-Aid off and get right to the biggest question, the one we hear all the time. Is AI going to replace our teachers? It's a totally understandable fear, so let's tackle it head-on. It's funny. We often talk about AI like it's some big sci-fi thing that's just around the corner. But the truth is, it's already here. It's been quietly working in the background of the apps and websites our kids use every single day. So this isn't some future shock. It's happening right now.
To really make a plan for tomorrow, we have to get a handle on today. So where is AI already a part of our kids' lives? You might actually be surprised.
Think about it. Every time your child uses a search engine to look up a fact for homework, that's AI. That little grammar check that suggests a different word in their essay, AI again. And those video recommendations that seem to know exactly what they want to watch next, you guessed it. It's already the invisible engine driving so much of their digital world.
So trying to just ignore AI, well, that's kind of like teaching driver's ed but deciding not to mention highways or traffic lights. It's not just a bad idea, it's genuinely irresponsible. We'd be sending them out into a very complex world completely unprepared for the road ahead.
So that puts us at a fork in the road, right? We can panic and try to ban this technology, which, let's be honest, never really works. Or we can face it with a smart, thoughtful, and balanced plan. We've definitely chosen that second path.
And here's what those two options really look like. On one hand, you have the unprepared path, ignoring, banning, reacting out of fear, and that just leaves kids in the dark. On the other hand, you have our path, teaching them how to use it right, setting clear rules, and engaging with a real strategy. We believe that education is always better than avoidance.
So what's the actual game plan? This isn't just talk. We have a real, concrete strategy with clear steps designed to empower our students while keeping them safe.
Our whole approach really rests on 5 key pillars. First, we're going to demystify the tech itself, so students actually understand what it is they're using. Next, we're setting up clear guardrails and rules. And this one is huge. Student privacy is our absolute top priority. It's completely non-negotiable. We're also doubling down on critical thinking to make sure AI is a tool, not a crutch. And at the heart of it all, of course, is our students' well-being. Now, just as important as what we are doing is what we are absolutely not doing. Because sometimes the best way to build trust is to draw a very clear line in the sand.
Let's be crystal clear on this. We will not be replacing our incredible teachers with AI, period. We are not going to allow AI to become some kind of Wild West free-for-all in our classrooms. We are absolutely not going to let it become an easy excuse for cheating. And we will never, ever compromise your child's data with these tools. Those are our promises to you. At the end of the day, all of this, the rules, the plans, the boundaries, it all serves one single, timeless mission: preparing our kids for the future, no matter what it holds.
This right here, this is our North Star. We are not trying to train students who just blindly depend on technology. We're trying to cultivate a generation of young people who can understand it, who can question it, and who can use these powerful tools wisely and ethically. It's all about building digital literacy, not dependency.
And this is where you come in. Because look, this isn't just something the school can do on its own. It absolutely has to be a partnership. The world is changing so fast, and the only way we're going to prepare our kids for it is if we work together. This conversation is really just the beginning, and we need you to be a part of it.